Hello, my name is Dylan Rivas, and I'm going to be giving a little preview with some slides on my proposal about resurrecting New Mexico club soccer. A little background on the situation. In June of 2018, the New Mexico United soccer team was founded to play in the USL Championship, the second division of soccer in the United States. The New Mexico United team brought a new energy to the world of soccer in New Mexico. We hadn't had a pro team at this level before this, so this gave everyone a new reason to love soccer in New Mexico. They started an academy with their first player being announced on January 20th of 2021. The goals of the academy were to develop players to potentially play professionally, as well as give these players an opportunity to play at this high level with a bunch of other high level players. However, players ultimately had to give up time with their club and or high school teams, a lot of the time completely taken away from these teams. KRQE News 13 reported on Josh Barros, the first player to be signed by New Mexico United's academy. The effect on club soccer. Club soccer has taken a large hit from the United Academy player signings. As I said before, playing for the academy often means not playing for that club or high school team they grew up with. These players are supposed to be the best, right? So what happens when club teams lose their best players? Well, it drops the quality. Club soccer has always provided an opportunity for players to get looked at by college coaches and play college soccer. The academy hurts many players' chances at doing this. And this does not mean the United Academy players. They are also being looked at with their academy. However, with the drop down of quality on the club teams, this means less college coaches look at these teams, which means less players get looked at. The quality of club soccer has gone down, and there's not much avoiding that when you're losing your best players. The academy players see a lot of benefits with this, and this proposal is not about taking them away from the academy, but it's about doing things different so everyone can benefit. This is a picture of the Rio 05 boys team in 2019 before United Academy was made, with them winning a state championship trophy. The fix. There's no reason, again, to get rid of the United Academy. It does a great job for providing for these players. However, allowing players to play in the club scene while still being part of New Mexico United would be a huge benefit. For the United season, you can take away the players from high school soccer, as high school soccer, as I can say from personal experience, is much less competitive and does less for the futures of the players. It is more of a fun environment, less of a do what you can to make better for yourself environment. The real way that this is going to work is to make ourselves heard. The club soccer community are the only people that can force change. We are the people who make up the entire soccer community. So without us trying to make change, change will not happen. The costs and benefits. So with everything, there's a good and a bad side. The costs are taking away these players completely from the high school season. There's also a small financial cost in order to fundraise, advertise the mission, get people on board. There's time and effort to force change in the community, and then possible extreme measures like leaving the club teams. And of course, there's always that looming possibility of things not working out. However, the benefits greatly outdo these. Club soccer being resurrected into what it used to be would be huge for the players. Players who aren't part of the academy getting more looks from college coaches. Academy players being able to play with their old teams and friends, bringing the club soccer community in New Mexico together, and even if it doesn't fully work out, the effort will never go unnoticed. Here's a screenshot of one player that's been signed by a college that has played for club. Conclusion. The New Mexico United Youth Academy has taken away from the club soccer scene overall. Club soccer has lost some of their best players, and the quality of play has decreased dramatically. We can only fix this by working together and putting our best effort forward. I know that everyone in the club soccer community in New Mexico wants to see our youth go on and play at the next level. This can even save money with soccer scholarships by giving our players the looks they deserve. Change can and will happen as long as we put that effort forward. Thank you.